Hi. So I've been really busy lately because we're moving from Barcelona to San Pedro de Ribes, which is a village not far away from Barcelona. And we're packing and we're, signing contracts and painting and all that stuff. So I have not been able to make many videos lately, uh, and I won't be either in the following days. But I keep on coding and learning every single day, at least for 1 hour. So today is the 23rd of June. I started coding the 1st of May. It makes roughly about 54 days in a row coding, which is not bad. I'm enjoying it. I really like JavaScript, which is the first proper language, coding language I've dived into. And yeah, that's it. I'm still learning and studying. Lots of things going on. School just finished yesterday, so I got kids at home. It makes it more difficult because I need to telework, uh, look after my kids, and manage the changing places, our home basically, from Barcelona to San Pedro de Ribes, but still coding, and I'm enjoying it a lot. Today I also have a gig because I'm a musician as well, and I got a gig today, I got a gig tomorrow. So the music season is starting and it's adding to all the things that I do. And I don't know, I cannot get my 3 hours of coding as I was doing a couple of weeks ago, but still coding and still having fun. Hopefully I'll get to, you know, to become a professional software developer in 6 months. Nowadays it seems a bit difficult because it's been like nearly 2 months coding. I've learned zones, definitely. I haven't written a single line of code in my life, and now I'm able to write tons of lines. But no, becoming a pro in 4 more months, being the summer in Spain, in Barcelona, with my holidays and my job and my kids and moving to another city and all that stuff, and the music season getting hot. It's just like, I don't know, too many things. But we're having fun, and my goal is still to start being paid for my developer skills in 6 months. So I'll keep working.